Hi, my name is Bala, and I just wanted to give a very brief, quick testimonial of my experience of the Ancestor workshop that I attended just recently. I found it to be a very positive experience on lots of different levels. It was really profound teaching that was shared and explained by Guruji. Very powerful insight as to how to connect with our ancestors in the other dimensions.
Hello, I am Maria Ines, and I want to say thank you to Guruji and his wonderful team for the ceremony of Pitru Shanti. It was very important for me, and I am very full of gratitude. Thank you very much.
I want to thank Guruji Jiteshji from Sri Vidya Tantra Pidam from the bottom of my heart for the wonderful Pitru workshop he has given to us. During the workshop, when we were reading from the Bhagavatam, I felt a lot of energy in my body, and the lamp I had on with 5 wicks, it was sending so much peace. I felt a lot of peace there. And in the night when I went sleeping, I dreamt about my grandmother. My grandmother, she already passed away, and at the end she was very mean for me and my mother, and she has always been mean to my mother.
Namaste. I am very happy to give a note about Pitru Shanti workshop. I had so many doubts and questions in my mind about Pitrus. After hearing our Guruji's explanation, some of them are clear now. In my family, we are not doing ancestral prayers properly. I was longing to do something to my father who passed away long back. And this workshop helped me in doing Pitru Shanti to all my ancestors, and I felt very happy and peaceful within.
Each and every workshop that is conducted by the Sri Vidya Tantra Pidam is a beautiful and a surreal experience in itself, and the Pitru Puja workshop conducted was no different. The beauty of all was that we knew what we were doing and why we were doing it, which was very beautifully explained by our Guruji and all the anchors put together. Thank you for this initiative.
Om Guru Bhyo Namah. After the Pitru Shanti Puja, it seems as if some burden has been lifted from my shoulders. I felt extremely light from within. Thank you to Sri Vidya Tantra Pidam for allowing me to participate in this live Pitru Shanti Puja. Thank you.
Om Guru Bhyo Namah. I would like to thank SVTP for conducting Pitru Shanti workshop. It was great hearing to Guruji's explanation on what happens to the soul once it departs. Also, thanks to all the coordinators of this workshop for explaining the puja process in greater detail. Thank you.
Thank you, Guruji, and the entire team of Sri Vidya Tantra Pidam for Pitru workshop. After the workshop, I feel blessed and an inner happiness was around me. Thank you. Pranam.
The Pitru Shanti workshop was very useful and meaningful. Great specified explanation of verses from Srimad Bhagavatam was provided. Very happy that I could perform Pitru Shanti in simple manner to my ancestors. I'm very grateful and thankful to Guruji and anchors. Shri Matre Namah.
Yesterday our Guruji Sri Jitendra Satyanji conducted the workshop related to Pitru Shanti. It was very wonderful and remarkable workshop. It's a long awaited event. Here in this workshop we got to know so many things like how we can help our departed souls, and how we can do on our own all related works that can help our departed soul to get relieved.
Joining the SVTP, I thought I was fortunate. But with the Pitru Shanti workshop, Guruji, you helped in the liberation of my Pitrus. So even they are fortunate and blessed in a very big way. The priests who take huge amounts of money for such rituals, even they don't do with such dedication and devotion as Leoji, Radhikaji and other anchors performed and taught all the participants to perform the ritual.
This really helped for all our Pitrus get elevated with the help of this workshop, and we all receive blessings from our Pitrus, not only us, all our family members have received blessings from Pitrus through this workshop. So it's a great blessing.
My sincere pranams to Guruji and the team at Sri Vidya Tantra Peedam for guiding me and providing me an opportunity to take part in the Pitru Shanti program.
Most important about today's workshop is the deep realization and inner significance underlying these rituals, as explained by Guruji in the light of Siddha Yoga. As it seems to me, this understanding is very much necessary for the modern mind, suspicious about the necessity of elaborate rituals. Our heartfelt obeisance,
especially Vidyaji for the explanation, because chanting mantras are always there, but when after chanting, when we get the meaning of what we chanted, and when she repeated the meaning of Bhagavad Gita, the 11th chapter, the important thing, like surrender, a complete surrender without expecting anything. When these are repeated, the Bhagavad Gita and the total workshop, we were able to understand in a proper way, with a proper light.
Thank you very much for conducting this workshop on Pitru Shanti. It's the first time that I'm attending such a, at a large scale where participants are spread across the world on a free workshop, that too. And I really thank Guru Yoganandanathan for explaining what is Pitru and Pretatma. We were not knowing that.
Thank you so much for organizing Pitru Shanti workshop. Thank you so much for sharing ancient wisdom, simple yet very powerful technique, and reaching to many of us in multiple languages. Thank you so much, and thank you to all the anchors who worked hard and helped in multiple languages.
The Pitru Shanti workshop, Guruji provided very clear understanding of why this process is relevant for me and my ancestors, and why each of the tasks in the process makes sense. The whole workshop was very inclusive, without any discrimination based on religion, nationality, gender, etc., and was done in multiple languages. The whole process was also very well guided by the anchors. Each verse and mantra was properly explained with proper pronunciations. I hope there are more such workshops in future.
Thank you, Guruji, for making Sri Vidya Tantra accessible to everyone, and the workshop you have conducted on Pitru Shanti with the in-depth explanation of why we need to do it and how to perform it, and the step-by-step guidance given while performing the Pitru Shanti by the anchors was really wonderful. I can't believe how fortunate I am to have you as my guru in my spiritual path. Thank you so much.